Hello, my dear friends. Myself Bhagwan Pandekar. I am a math teacher and career counselor. I will teach you the subject mathematics part 2, that is geometry. So today we are going to learn the practice set 3.1 of lesson number 3, triangles. If you would like to see many more videos like this, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Lesson number 3, triangles. Practice set 3.1. Lesson number 3, triangles. Practice set 3.1. Example first. In the figure 3.8, alongside angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Angle B is equal to 40 degree. Angle A is equal to 70 degree. Find the measures of angle ACD. Solution. Angle BAC is equal to 70 degree. Angle ABC is equal to 40 degree. Given information. Therefore, angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Therefore, angle ACD is equal to angle BAC plus angle ABC. Reason is theorem of remote interior angles. Therefore, angle ACD is equal to 70 degree plus 40 degree. So therefore, angle ACD is equal to 110 degree. So final answer is angle ACD is equal to 110 degree. Example number 2. In triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 70 degree, angle Q is equal to 65 degree. Then find the angle R. Solution. In triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Reason is the sum of the measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So therefore, putting the values of angle P, angle Q in this equation, we can write therefore 70 degree plus 65 degree plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. So therefore 135 degree plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. So therefore angle R is equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree. So therefore angle R is equal to 45 degree. So therefore the final answer is angle R is equal to 45 degree. Example number 3. The measures of angles of a triangle are x degree in bracket x minus 20 degree comma in bracket x minus 40 degree. Find the measures of each angles. Solution. The measures of angles of a triangle are x degree comma in bracket x minus 20 degree comma in bracket x minus 40 degree. So therefore x degree plus in bracket x minus 20 degree plus in bracket x minus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Reason is the sum of the measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So therefore 3x minus 60 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore 3x minus 60 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore 3x is equal to 180 minus 60. So therefore 3x is equal to 240 degree. Therefore x is equal to 240 degree divided by 3. Simplify it, we get the value of x, therefore x is equal to 80 degree. Now x is equal to 80 degree, therefore in bracket x minus 20 degree is equal to 80 minus 20 degree. Subtraction of 80 minus 20, we get the value 60. So therefore in bracket x minus 20 degree is equal to 60 degree. And in bracket x minus 40 degree is equal to 80 minus 40 degree. The subtraction of 80 minus 40 is 40. So therefore in bracket x minus 40 degree is equal to 40 degree. So therefore final answer is measures of the three angles of a triangle are 80 degree, 60 degree and 40 degree. Example number 4. The measures of one of the angles of a triangle is twice the measure of its smallest angle and the measures of the other is threes the measures of the smallest angle. Find the measures of the three angles. Solution. Let the measures of smallest angle of the triangle be x degree according to the given condition. Therefore the twice the smallest angle is equal to 2x degree. Threes the smallest angle is equal to 3x degree by the given condition. Therefore x degree plus 2x degree plus 3x degree is equal to 180 degree. The reason is the measures of the all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Solution. Therefore 6x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 180 degree divided by 6. Simplify it, we get the value. Therefore x is equal to 30 degree. So therefore final answer is x is equal to 30 degree. Now 2x degree means is equal to in bracket 2 into 30 degree is equal to 60 degree and 3x degree is equal to in bracket 3 into 30 degree is equal to 90 degree. So final answer is the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. This is your final answer. Example number 5. Alongside the figure 3.9, measures of some angles are given. Using the measures, find the value of x, y and z. Observing this figure, we can write the solution. Solution. Angle TEN plus angle NEM is equal to 180 degree. Reason is angles in linear pair. Therefore putting the values of this angle, we can write therefore 100 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. So therefore y is equal to 180 degree minus 100. So therefore y is equal to 80 degree. Therefore angle EMR plus angle EMN is equal to 180 degree. Reason is angles in linear pair. Therefore putting the values of these angles, we get therefore 140 degree plus z is equal to 180 degree. Therefore z is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree. So therefore z is equal to 40 degree. In triangle NEM, x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. Reason is the sum of the measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So therefore putting the values of y and z in this equation, we get therefore x plus 80 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. So therefore x plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. So therefore x is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. So therefore x is equal to 60 degree. So final answer of this example is x is equal to 60 degree, y is equal to 80 degree and z is equal to 40 degree. This is your final answer of this example. Example number 6. Alongside in figure 3.10, line AB parallel line D, find the measures of angle DRE and angle ARE using given measures of the sum angles. Observing this figure, we can write the solution. Line AB parallel line D, given information, and line AD is the transversal. Therefore angle BAD congruent angle EDA. Reason is alternate angles. Therefore angle BAD is equal to 70 degree given information in the figure. Therefore angle EDA is equal to 70 degree. So reason is A dash R dash D, that is point A, R and D are linear point. Therefore angle ARE is an exterior angle of triangle RDE. Therefore angle ARE is equal to angle EDR plus angle DER. Reason is theorems of remote interior angles of a triangle. Therefore, angle ARE is equal to 70 degree plus 40 degree. Addition of this is 110 degree. So therefore, angle ARE is equal to 110 degree. Therefore, angle ARE plus angle DRE is equal to 180 degree. So reason is angles in linear pair. Therefore, putting the values of angle ARE in this equation, we can write, therefore 110 degree plus angle DRE is equal to 180 degree. So therefore, angle DRE is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. So therefore, angle DRE is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, the final answer of this example is angle DRE is equal to 70 degree, angle ARE is equal to 110 degree. This is your final answer of this example. Example number 7. In triangle ABC, bisectors of angle A and angle B intersect at point O. If angle C is equal to 70 degree, find the measures of angle AOB. Observing this figure, we can write the solution. Angle CAO congruent angle OAB. Reason is ray AO bisect angle CAB. Equation number first. Let angle CAO is equal to angle OAB is equal to x degree. Therefore, angle CBO congruent angle OBA. Reason is ray BO bisect angle CBA. Equation number 2. Let angle CBO is equal to angle OBA is equal to y degree as shown in the figure. Therefore, angle CAB is equal to angle CAO plus angle OAB. Reason is angle addition postulates. Therefore, angle CAB is equal to x plus x from equation first. Therefore, angle CAB is equal to 2x degree. This is your equation number 3. Similarly, angle CBA is equal to 2y degree. Equation number 4. In triangle CAB, angle ACB plus angle CAB plus angle CBA is equal to 180 degree. The sum of the measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, putting this values of angle 70 degree plus 2x plus 2y is equal to 180 degree from given 3 and 4th. Therefore, 70 degree plus 2 in bracket x plus y is equal to 180 degree. So therefore, 2 in bracket x plus y is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. So therefore, 2 in bracket x plus y is equal to 110 degree. So therefore, x plus y is equal to 110 divided by 2. Simplify it and we get the values. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 55 degree. This is your equation number 5. In triangle AOB, angle AOB plus angle OAB plus angle OBA is equal to 180 degree. Reason is the sum of the measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, putting the values of this angle, we can write, therefore, angle AOB plus x plus y is equal to 180 degree. So therefore, angle AOB plus 55 degree is equal to 180 degree from equation 5. Putting the values of x plus y is equal to 55 degree here. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 180 degree minus 55 degree. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 125 degree. So therefore, angle AOB is equal to 125 degree. This is your final answer of this example. Example number 8. Alongside in the figure 3.11, line AB parallel line CD and line PQ is the transversal. Ray PT and ray QT are bisector of angle BPQ and angle PQD respectively. Prove that measurement angle PTQ is equal to 90 degree. Observing this figure, we can write the solution in this way. Solution, angle BPT congruent angle TPQ. Reason is ray PT bisect angle BPQ. Let angle BPT is equal to angle TPQ is equal to x. Equation number first. Angle PQT congruent angle TQD. Reason is ray QT bisect angle PQD. Let angle PQT is equal to angle QTD is equal to y. Equation number 2. Line AB parallel line CD and line PQ is the transversal. Therefore, angle BPQ plus angle PQD is equal to 180 degree. Reason is interior angles. Therefore, in bracket, angle BPT plus angle TPQ plus angle PQT plus angle TQD is equal to 180 degree. So, reason is angles addition postulate. Therefore, in bracket x plus x plus in bracket y plus y is equal to 180 degree from equation 1 and 2. Therefore, 2x plus 2y is equal to 180 degree. So, therefore, taking a 2 common, we can write therefore 2 in bracket x plus y is equal to 180 degree from equation 1 and 2. So, therefore, x plus y is equal to 180 degree divided by 2. Simplify it, we get the values. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 90 degree. This is your equation number 3. In triangle PTQ, angle PTQ plus angle TPQ plus angle TQP is equal to 180 degree. So, reason is the sum of the measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, angle PTQ plus x plus y is equal to 180 degree from equation first and second. Therefore, angle PTQ plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree from equation 3. Therefore, angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. So, therefore, angle PTQ is equal to 90 degree. So, therefore, angle PTQ is equal to 90 degree. This is your final answer of this example. Example number 9. Using the information alongside the figure 3.12, find the measures of angle A, angle B and angle C. Observing this figure, we can write the solution of this example. Angle B is equal to 70 degree. Reason is vertically opposite angle. Angle C plus 100 degree is equal to 180 degree. Reason is angles in linear pair. Therefore, angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. So, therefore, angle C is equal to 80 degree. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Reason is the sum of the measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Putting the values of angle B and angle C in this equation, we get. Therefore, angle A is equal to 70 degree plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle A plus 150 degree is equal to 180 degree. So, therefore, angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree. So, therefore, angle A is equal to 30 degree. So, therefore, answer is angle A is equal to 30 degree, angle B is equal to 70 degree and angle C is equal to 80 degree. This is your final answer of this example. Example number 10. Alongside in the figure 3.13, line D parallel line GF, ray EG and ray FG are the bisector of angle DEF and angle DFM respectively. Prove that first, angle DEG is equal to 1 upon 2 into angle EDF and second, EF is equal to FG. Observing this figure, we can write the proof. Angle DEG congruent angle GEF. Reason is ray EG bisect angle DEF. Let angle DEG is equal to angle GEF is equal to x degree. Equation number first. Angle DEF is equal to angle DEG plus angle GEF. Reason is angles addition postulate. Therefore, angle DEF is equal to x degree plus x degree from equation first. Therefore, angle DEF is equal to 2x degree. Equation number 2. Line D parallel line GF and line EF is the transversal. Therefore, angle DEF congruent angle GFM. Reason is corresponding angles. Therefore, angle GFM is equal to 2x degree from equation 2. This is your equation number 3. Therefore, angle DFG congruent angle GFM. Reason is ray FG bisect angle DFM. Therefore, angle DFG is equal to 2x degree from equation 3. This is your equation number 4. Therefore, angle DFM is equal to angle DFG plus angle DFM. Reason is angles addition postulate. Therefore, angle DEF is equal to 2x degree plus 2x degree from equation 3 and 4th. Therefore, angle DEF is equal to 4x degree. This is your equation number 5. Angle DFM is an exterior angle of triangle DEF. Therefore, angle DFM is equal to angle EDF plus angle DEF. Reason is theorem of remote interior angles. Therefore, 4x degree is equal to angle EDF plus 2x degree. Therefore, angle EDF is equal to 4x degree minus 2x degree. Therefore, angle EDF is equal to 2x degree. Therefore, angle EDF is equal to 2 into angle DEG from equation first. Therefore, angle DEG is equal to 1 upon 2 into angle EDF from equation first. Therefore, line D parallel line GF given information and line EG is the transversal. Therefore, angle DEG congruent angle FGE. Reason is alternate angles. Therefore, angle FGE is equal to x degree. This is your equation number 6. In triangle FEG, angle FGE congruent angle GEF. Equation from first and 6. EF is equal to FG. Reason is isosceles triangles theorem. Hence the proof. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Bhagwan Pandekar Maths for You and Bhagwan Pandekar Career for You. Keep watching, keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.